Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Do you know Easter is coming soon?
Yeah, so today we will be drawing something Eastery.
Today we are learning to draw a cute bunny with some eggs. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
So we draw the oval shape, so egg, right? The below, and the middle. And draw another part. Slow down. Ooh. Okay. Now we draw another one next to this one. Okay. We draw from the top.
And it's a little bit smaller because of the angle it's facing.
You could draw a little smaller. Yes. A little bit. It's covered by this one, right? Okay. So, because here's pretty empty, so I'm gonna draw another one here. Also a little bit covered by this one, because this one is bigger in the front of us, right? Okay. And now we draw another two, maybe behind this one, okay? A little bit. Only could see a tiny bit. Here, only see a tiny bit. So it looks like it's a group, right?
Yeah.
A bunch of eggs. Okay, now we draw a cutie bunny on the top. So draw a big oval. If you draw under here, you could a little bit cover. It's fine. You could continue from here. Okay. Okay, like that. Okay. So now I draw two cute eyes. You could choose the shape you like. Okay. I maybe draw a little bit bigger, so look cuter. Circle, another circle. So I'm gonna put the two white circle in the middle. Okay. And the coloring. And now I draw a bunny nose like here. So I'm gonna just do this shape. And after that, I'm use some color, put a nose, okay? Olivia do a different way, but that's cute too, huh? Okay, now I draw a bunny mouth like this.
I did really small mouth and small eyes. Your bunny's the opposite of mine.
That's cute too, huh? Okay.
Maybe I'll make the eyes a little bigger.
Okay. Oh, that's cute too. I like it. So now we draw the bunny's ear, right? I think I probably draw one ear erect, okay? Another one ears are hanging down. So
I'll probably do the same.
yeah, okay. So one ear here. So another one hanging down like this. Okay. And then
Connect.
yes, and like here, and then I connect here. Okay. Yeah, that way is okay too, because the ears are like right turning back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and now I add a little bit grass on the ground. So I'm gonna do like this, okay? So here probably a little bit. So I'm gonna do like this, okay? Okay, but here I'm gonna add a little bit, okay, in the middle. Like that. Okay. Now I could add a little bit Rabbit's hands here, right? Looks like she holding an egg, right? Okay, we decide some patterns in the egg. Okay. So the first one I do the middle one. You could do any pattern you want. So I'm gonna add some arc line. Add some circle.
I'm probably just gonna add art line.
Yeah. And this one, I'm gonna add some circle. Okay. And this one, yeah, I'm gonna do this
And
shape.
for the background ones, I'm gonna do
The
triangle.
background is by cover, so.
I'm gonna do triangle for background
that's good.
ones.
Yeah. This one, I don't know. Probably you're gonna add some, yes, circle. I don't know. Okay. And this one probably just longer shape, like this.
Wow, okay. Mine looks so cute just looking up.
Okay. So now is the time to coloring.
Let's begin, guys.
We're done.
Yeah, guys, mine's lit.
Look at mine. Oh, Olivia, actually, I like your style too. It's pretty cute, right?
This hat matches my drawing.
Yes, but the opposite, right? Yours this way. Mine is another way. Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time. Give a thumbs up.